Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to enter DFU recovery mode on your iPhone. DFU mode is used to download and flash firmware into your iPhone. And recovery mode helps you to restore and update your iPhone. Welcome to the channel and let's get started. First we need to open iTunes. This will be really important for this step, and it also helps you to check if your iPhone is in DFU or recovery mode. Now you need to power on the phone. Power off the phone. Now connect this cable to your computer and then press and hold the power button and then press the home button while connecting the device. You can see the iTunes screen has appeared and it will get this form saying there's a problem with the iPhone that requires it to be updated or restored. So, this problem may be fixed by updating iPhone with preferences, settings and content. Then, click restore if you want to erase all your data in the iPhone. Phone. Now, if you click on eject iPhone, you can see it does not get out into recovery mode. The easiest way to exit recovery mode is to press and hold the power button. Now your iPhone should boot as normal. As you can see, the phone is now booted into normal mode. Now let's show you how to enter DFU mode. Power off the phone. Once your phone has been powered off, press and hold the power and home buttons at the same time. Now release the power button and continue holding the home button until the device is detected in DFU mode. You can see iTunes has detected an iPhone in DFU mode. You must restore this iPhone before it be used with iTunes. Ejecting the iPhone also won't exit DFU mode. To exit DFU mode, press the home and power button at the same time. You will see the Apple logo when you did this correctly. This means your iPhone will be booted as normal. will now be booted as normal. You can see it booted into normal mode. So that's how to enter DFU mode and recovery mode. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching.